Okay, let's take a ride around Abakaliki, whether we are strolling or we are driving. There's so much to see in this town. But while we take this ride, okay, I want us to talk about something serious happening in Ebonyi State.
My people, keep watching Ebonyi People TV. People should keep on watching Ebonyi People TV.
Keep watching Ebonyi TV.
They are very, very good people and they are doing good.
Please, I want to urge you to keep watching Ebonyi People TV.
Ebonyi People TV is the best. All right, people. But I don't see them now.
It's a place you be where you get a current news and undiluted news.
Keep watching Ebonyi State TV. Not all that dial. If you touch, if I come on back for that remote.
Recently, there's been quite a bit of back and forth between citizens and the state government. Some people feel like Governor Francis Ogbonna Nwifuru isn't doing enough. But I'll leave the question to you who is watching. Do you think the governor is truly falling short? Drop your honest thoughts in the comments. I really want to hear from you. Now, let's get to the facts because the comparisons flying around between Ebonyi and other southeast states deserve a closer look. I came across some solid information from none other than Engineer Jude Chikadibia, the Honorable Commissioner for Information and State Orientation in Ebonyi State. And here is what he shared in his post on Facebook. We all know, or rather some people know, that Governor Francis Ogbonna has vowed not to borrow even a dime for projects, instead focusing on managing the state's finances wisely and clearing the debt he inherited. And according to the Debt Management Office, Ebonyi State is the least indebted state in the southeast. Ebonyi State owes the least amongst its peers among the southeastern states. And here is the breakdown. Abia State owes 89.3 billion naira. Anambra State owes 30.3 billion naira. Ebonyi 19.1 billion naira, Enugu 128.1 billion naira, and Imo State 155.4 billion naira. Wow. As you can see, Ebonyi State is the least amongst the southeastern states. And in terms of fiscal transparency, Ebonyi ranked second in the 2024 budget fiscal transparency league table, a significant improvement from 2023. This shows a commitment to managing resources effectively. And for tax contributions and allocations, a report from the National Bureau of Statistics sheds light on how creative governance can stretch resources. For example, Ebonyi State contributed 25.1 billion naira in VAT and received 61.4 billion naira, while Enugu State contributed 15.4 billion naira and received 67.5 billion naira, and Abia contributed 8.7 billion naira and received 63.8 billion naira, while Imo contributed 4.4 billion naira and received 70.7 billion naira. This comparison definitely highlights how Ebonyi State, under Governor Francis Ogbonna's leadership, is stretching its resources for meaningful progress. So, with all of these facts laid out, does it seem like the governor isn't delivering enough? Or is it time to give him some credit? The numbers speak for themselves, as you can see, but the conversation is wide open. Let's hear what you think.